16 types of onions and how to use them. Onions can add sharp, distinct flavor to your cooking, or just a mild change to your favorite dish. Choosing the right onion for the job is a matter of understanding the flavor you want to create. Some onions are sweet and mild. Others are pungent and strongly flavored. Some taste more like garlic than onions. Some even have a bit of a cucumber flavor. The world of onions has a lot to offer. Number 1. Bermuda Onion. This is a large onion with white flesh and a mild, sweet taste. It's available only in the spring. Number 2. Chinese Leek Onion. Also called Chinese chives, these onions look a lot like a large green onion. They have a mild chive flavor and are commonly grilled whole or used in tempura frying. They are available year-round. Number 3. Cipollini Onion. This flat, flying saucer-shaped pearl onion from Italy has a mild and sweet flavor. It's often baked, roasted, or put on kebabs. They are available all year. Number 4. Egyptian Onion. Also called tree onions, top onions, winter onions, or walking onions. They are strongly flavored with edible leaves and available in summer and autumn. Number 5. Green Onion. Green onions are actually yellow onions harvested when they are still small and tender. Both the onion and the green shoots are edible. They may be used in place of scallions in any recipe and are available year-round. Number 6. Leek Onion. Looking a little like a large green onion, leeks have a mild flavor. Unlike green onions, however, the green part of a leek is tough and inedible. Leeks are often fried or eaten raw and taste something like a mixture of onion and cucumber. They are available year-round. Number 7. Maui Onion. A golden, juicy onion that is sweet and naturally full of water. Weighing between 1/2 pound and 3/4 pounds, Maui onions are flying saucer-shaped and perfect for making onion rings. They are available from April through June. Number 8. Pearl Onion. Sometimes called baby onions or button onions, pearl onions are often used in cocktails or for pickling. They have a mild, sweet flavor and are available year-round. Number 9. Red Baron Scallion Onion. These beautiful, green onion-style plants have a deep red base with green leaves. Red Barons have a strong scent and are a good substitute for scallions or green onions. They available in the spring and summer. Number 10. Red Onion. Sometimes called a purple onion because of its reddish-purple skin, red onions are white-fleshed, mild and sweet. They may be eaten raw. When cooked, red onions lose their color. They are available year-round. Number 11. Scallion Onion. Also called a spring onion or salad onion, scallions are mild-tasting and used interchangeably with green onions. They are commonly used in Asian and seafood dishes, as well as soups. They are available year-round. Number 12. Shallot Onion. A cousin to onions, with a mild, sweet flavor, shallots grow more like garlic than onions. When you peel one apart, you may find 2 or 3 shallots clinging together. They are available year-round. Number 13. Walla Walla Onion. Named after their growing location in the state of Washington, Walla Walla onions are sweet and available year-round. Number 14. White Onion. With its white skin and flesh, white onions have a strong flavor and are often used in Mexican dishes and French onion soup. They are available year-round. Number 15. Wild Leek Onion. Also called ramp, this plant looks a bit like a green onion, but tastes like a combination of garlic and onion. They are often fried, and are available from March through May. Number 15. Yellow Onion. The most commonly seen onion, yellow onions have yellowish skin and white flesh. In the UK, they are called brown onions. They are pungent and available year-round.